Hello students, welcome to Study Campus. As we have discussed in the previous lecture, mensuration part 1, and in that lecture we have discussed the properties of triangles, and hence in this lecture we discuss the mensuration part 2, and in this video we discuss the area and perimeter of a remaining two-dimensional figure, which is quadrilateral and a circle, and remaining three-dimensional geometry we will discuss also in this video lecture. So let us start with quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals. First one is a rectangle. The quadrilateral, what is rectangle? So we can say the quadrilateral whose adjacent sides are parallel and equal, and each internal angle is equal to 90 degree. So what is the perimeter and area of rectangle? This is the important. Perimeter equals 2 into a plus b, because both a and a are equal and both b and b are equal. So 2 and plus 2b, that is 2 into a plus b. Area is equal to a into b. A into b means base into perpendicular, and diagonal, this one is called diagonal, vertex of opposite faces, or we can say opposite vertex. Line joining opposite vertex is called diagonal. ABCD, there are two diagonals AC and BD, and both are equal in the case of a rectangle. Diagonal equals, length of diagonal equals a square plus b square square root. Okay, next one, square. In the case of square, all sides are equal and all internal angles are equal to 90 degree, and the diagonals are equal. We can say all the sides are equal. So here perimeter equals 4 into a, and area equals a square, and diagonal equals under root 2 into a. Okay, circumcircle. Circumcircle or encircle. Of square. In case of square, what is circumcircle and what is encircle? So if the circle is outside of square, then this is called circumcircle. And the radius of circumcircle is equal to, radius equals radius equals 2 into diagonal of radius equals half of diagonal of square, half of diagonal of square, half of diagonal of square. Okay, and if the length of square side is a, then radius of circumcircle should be 1 by 2 under root 2 into a, that is equal to 1 by under root 2a. And in case of incircle, the circle should be inside of the square, and in this case the radius in circle, radius equals half of side length of square, half of a, that is equal to a upon 2. So if there is question of ratio regarding in circles radius and circumcircles radius, then we can solve. And also if there is area regarding question in square, then we can also solve. Next, third one, rhombus. Rhombus means equal the quadrilaterals which all sides are equal. But diagonals are not equals. And diagonal cut themselves at 90 degree. Okay, the main property of this one is diagonal cut themselves at 90 degree. This one is 90 degree, D1 and D2. So area equals 1 upon 2 D1 into D2, and perimeter equals 4 into A. And one more important point is side length. A equals under root D1 by 2 plus D2 by 2 square root. This one is the important formula. Next one, fourth, parallelogram. Next one is parallelogram. Parallelogram is the type of quadrilateral whose adjacent sides are parallel and equal. So area, perimeter equals 2 into A plus B, and area equals base into height. Base into height. If there is height, then we can calculate base into height. Okay. And fifth one is rhombus. Next one is, sorry, rhombus has been done. Next one is trapezium. Next one is trapezium. In this type of quadrilateral, there are two parallel lines and two non-parallel lines. Two non-parallel lines. For example, this one. The area equals 1 upon 2 sum of parallel lines length, sum of parallel lines करेंगे लेंथ का into height. इनके बीच का height कितना है ये मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा. So these all are quadrilaterals properties. And next one is circle. Circle. The area equals pi r square and perimeter equals 2 pi r. The perimeter is also called circumference. Circumference 2 pi r. Okay. Next one is 3D, three-dimensional figure. First one is cube and cuboid. Cube and cuboid. What is cube? Cube. Cube is made with 6 identical square surfaces. Okay, six identical surfaces is required to make a cube, and there are 12 edges and 8 corners. Okay, so area equals 6 into a square if a is side of cube, and volume equals a cube, and diagonal equals under root a square plus a square plus a square, that is under root 3a. Next one is cuboid. There are 6 identical a rectangular surface. And 12 corners, 12 edges, 12 edges and 8 corners. Okay, we can take length, breadth and height. Length, breadth and height, LBH. So total area equals 2 into LB plus BH plus HL, and volume equals LBH, and diagonal equals L square B square plus H square, square root. Next one is sphere. Sphere. There are two types of sphere: hollow and solid sphere. For solid sphere, area equals 4 pi r square, volume equals 4 by 3 pi r cube, and for hollow sphere, area equals 4 pi r square and volume equals 4 upon 3 pi r2 cube minus r1 cube. Next one is cylinder. Cylinder. This is the base, and this is the radius, and this is the height. So area, total area equals 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r square, that is 2 pi r h plus r. And if there is asking curved area, curved surface area, this is equal to this is equal to 2 pi r h. If there is asked curved area, surface area, then we only solve 2 pi r h, and if there is total surface area, then 2 pi r bracket h plus r. Volume equals pi r square h. Next one is cone. Cone. This is the radius, this is height, and this is slant height. Slant height. Curved surface area equals pi r l. Total surface area equals pi r l plus pi r square, that is equals pi r l plus r. Volume equals 1 by 3 pi r square h. So these are the formula of three-dimensional mensuration. And next we solve the questions related to 3-dimensional mensuration and remaining 2-dimensional mensuration. Okay, so before going to practice the questions, just memorize the formula related to the concept, related to the questions, and then make practice and practice. Then only you can master on this type of question of mensuration. If you don't memorize the formula of mensuration, then you can't solve the questions of mensuration, because the question is only based on the formula. So next we take the examples of questions. Question number 1. What will be the area of trapezium whose parallel sides are 22 and 16 centimeter long and the distance between them is 11 centimeter? Trapezium is like this. Parallel sides are 22 will be this one, and 16 will be this one, and height is 11. So area of trapezium equals 1/2 sum of parallel sides, means 16 and 22, into height. So the answer will be 16 plus 20, that is equal to 38 into 11 by 2, 209 centimeter square. This is the area. So you have to require the formula. Question number 2. At the rate of ₹2 per square meter, cost of painting a rectangular floor is ₹5760. If the length of the floor is 80% more than its breadth, then what is the length of the floor? Length to the breadth, the ratio is given. If we take breadth 100, then length is 180, because 80% more. So the ratio will be 2 9s are 2 5s are 9:5. And here the given is the rate of ₹2 per square meter. It means if we multiply the area by 2, then this value will come out. The area is what? Length into breadth, 5x into 2, the rate per square meter. Then the total value will come out 5760. Cancel 2 to the 4, 9 and 5, 64 times. So x square equals 64. So x equals under root 64, which is equal to 8. So here we can say length equals 9x, means 9 into 8, that is equal to 72. Next question is 3. A 7-meter wide path is to be made around a circular garden having a diameter 7 meter. What will be the area of the path in square meter? Circular garden, there is circular garden, and there is path 7-meter wide path. The length is 7 meter. Okay, having a diameter of 7 meter, and the diameter of the garden is 7 meter, means 3.5 is the radius. What will be the area of the path in square meter? What will be the area of the path? So we required the area of this one part. Area of path equals, we can say pi r square total area minus pi r square, means r2, we can say, minus pi r1 square, means inner radius. So pi is common, r2 means 3.5 plus 7, 10.5 square minus 3.5 square. we can say 22 upon 7. A square minus b square means a plus b, a minus b. A plus b is 14. A plus b is 14, and a minus b is equal to how much? 7. So we can cancel. So answer is 308 square meter. 308 square meter. Question number 4. The perimeter of a rectangle of length 62 centimeter and breadth 50 centimeter is 4 times perimeter of a square. The perimeter of the rectangle is 62 plus 50 is equal to 4 times of perimeter of a square. Perimeter of any square is equal to 4a. So this one is 112 4a. 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12 and 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16. A equals 14. So what is next? What will be the circumference of a semicircle? Circumference of semicircle whose diameter is equal to the side of the given square, means this is 14. Circumference equals equals to pi r plus 2r, means r common, pi plus 2. R is 7, pi 22 upon 7 plus 2. So 7 into 22 plus, we can say 22 plus 14 upon 7. The answer is 36. The answer is 36. Question number 5. If a square, circle and rectangle has same perimeter, then which one of them has the maximum area? See, if there is square having side A, then the perimeter equals 4a. This is perimeter 2 pi r, and the perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B. See, if the perimeter is equal, then 2 pi r equals 2 into pi, means 22 upon 7 into what? We can take 7. If we take 7, then this will cancel, then this will become 44. So to make 44, we will take a equals 11 into 4, that is equal 44. And here we can take L plus B, any value 20 plus 2 we can take, this will become 44. So if the area, we can check area equals here what? 11 square, because we have taken side as 11 square 121. Here r is equal to 7, so pi r square 22 upon 7 into r, means 7 square 49. So 7 2s of 154, and here the area is 20 into 2, that is equal to 40. So we can say the maximum area is of home circle. So answer will be B. Next, question number 6. A sphere of 5 cm radius is melted and small sphere of radius 1 cm is made from it. Find the number of sphere that can be made from it. See, if there is transformation from one phase to another phase in case of 3-dimensional figure, then we make equal their volume. Okay, and in case of 2-dimensional figure, we make their perimeter equals. So in this case, a sphere of 5 cm radius is melted and small sphere of radius 1 cm is made. Find the number of sphere. sphere is melted. So we can say number of sphere equals volume of big sphere upon volume of small sphere. Volume of big sphere equals 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Pi into r is what? 5. 5 means 125. 5 cube means 125. And 4 upon 3 into pi into 1 centimeter cube means 1. This one is cancelled. The answer is 125. Question number 7. A square park has 2 meter wide crossroad. Meter wide crossroad in middle of it if the side of park is 100 meter. See, if this is 2 meter and the length of side is 100 meter, then the remaining area equals total minus road area. Total area equals 100 square minus area of road equals 2 into 100. 2 into 100. So 100 square means 10,000 minus 200. That is equal to here is crossroad. A square park has 2 meter wide crossroad. Crossroad means the same type of road is from up to low, means into 2 we have to multiply, means 2 roads of the same area, means 10,000 minus 400, that is equal to 9,600 meter square. So answer will be C. Question number 8. If radius of cone decrease by 50% and height increase by 20%, then find the percentage change in the volume. See, volume depends on pi r square, which means square of radius and into height. So we take the ratio of r square, means radius square and height. Radius 1 and radius 2. The ratio is given. If the radius of cone decrease by 50%, means if there is 100, then it decreases by 50%, means it becomes 50, means ratio becomes 2 to 1. And the ratio of height increases by 20%. Height h1 and h2 is given that 100 to 120, means 5 to 6. So r1 square into h1 is to r2 square into h1 is equal to 2 square into 4, means 2 square into 4, sorry, 2 square into 5 means 20 is to 1 square into 6. So percentage change equals 20 minus 6, means 14 into 100 upon 20. So there is 70% increase. Sorry, 70%, there is 70% decrease, because 20 to 60 it becomes, so 70% decrease. This is not the increase, this is the decrease. Next, question number 9. The radius of two cylinders are in the ratio of 4:5. R1, R2, 4:5, and their curved surface area. Curved surface area means 2 pi RH are in the ratio through 3:5. 2 pi r1 h1 is to 2 pi r2 h2, 3:5. What is the ratio of their volumes? So here we can say a ratio of volumes equals pi r square h pi r1 h1 upon pi r2 square h2 square. So R1 and R2 is given that R1 and R2 4 square and 5 square, and H1 H2 2 pi is cancelled. H1 by H2 equals into R1 by R2 equals 3 by 5. R1 by R2 4 by 5 means here is H1 by H2 into R1 by R2 4 by 5, 3 by 5 means H1 by H2 equals 3 by 4. So 3 by 4. So the answer is 4 cancel, 12 is to 25. Answer number D. Question number 10. Next, question number 10. An equilateral triangle and a regular hexagon have equal perimeters. The ratio of the area of the triangle and that of the hexagon is. An equilateral triangle and regular hexagon. Regular hexagon means the all sides of hexagon is equal. If the perimeter is equals, then we can take 6 6 6 and this one is half, 3 3 3 3 3 3, then only it will be equal in perimeter. The ratio of the area of the triangle and that form of hexagon is. The area of triangle, area of this one is root 3 by 4 into side square, and area of this one is 6 into root 3 by 4 into side square. Root 3 by 4 cancel, 6 cancel, 3 3 is 9 and 6, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, means answer will be 2:3. Question number 11. In measuring the sides of a rectangle, one side is increased by 30% and the other side is decreased by 15%. What is the change in its area as a percentage? In case of a rectangle, change in area percent equals x plus y plus xy upon 100, where x and y are the length and breadth of a rectangle. So x is what? If there is increase, then we take plus x, and if there is decrease, then we take minus. So what is increased by 30%? One side is increased by 30% and the other side is decreased, minus 15, plus minus minus 30 into 15. 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15. 15 minus 4.5. So the answer is 10.5%. Answer number C is correct. Next, question number 12. What is the volume of cylinder whose curved surface area is 1408 centimeter square and height is 16 centimeter? Volume of cylinder. What? Pi r square h. curved surface area is given 2 pi RH is given 1408 and height is given 16. So R equals 1408 upon 2 into pi into H. H means what? 16. So 2 2 ja, 2 7 ja, 2 4 ja. 16 4 ja and 16 4 ja. So R equals 44 upon pi and volume equals pi into R square, means 44 into 44 pi into pi into H. H means 16. 44 into 44, 22 upon 7 into 16. So 44 into 14 into 16. The answer will be 9856 because unit digit is 6. So answer is 9856 centimeter cube. Next question number 13. A cylinder has some water at height 20 centimeter. Height water is available. If a sphere of radius 6 centimeter is poured into it, any sphere is poured into it having radius 6 centimeter, then find the raise in height of water if the radius of cylinder is 4 centimeter. Radius is 4 centimeter. So we can say that volume of sphere equals change in volume of cylinder. Volume of a sphere equals 4 by 3 into pi r cube. Pi into r is 6. 6 into 6 into 6. And change in volume of cylinder means pi r square h, pi r square means 4 square 16 into delta h. So pi is cancelled, 3 2 ja 6 and 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16 and 2 3 ja 6. So delta h equals 18 centimeter. Next question number 14. A cone with diameter of its as 30 centimeter. Diameter is 13 means radius is 15 centimeter. Is formed by melting a spherical ball. A spherical ball of diameter 10 centimeter means radius 5 centimeter. What is the approximate height of the cone? If there is melted, then the volume should be equals. Volume of sphere equals volume of cone. Volume of sphere equals 4 by 3 pi r cube. R cube means 125. That is equal to volume of cone 1 by 3 pi r square h. Pi r square means 225 into h. ये pi cancel, 3 cancel, 125 25 25 5 जा 25 5 जा 125 25 9 जा. So h equals 5 4 जा 20 upon 9, approximately 2 point something, that is 2 meter, sorry 2 centimeter. So answer will be 2 centimeter, D option. Next question number 15. A cylinder whose base of circumference is 6 meter can roll at a rate of 3 rounds per second. How much distance will the cylinder cover in 9 seconds? Roll at the rate of 3 rounds per second in 9 seconds. Total rolling equals 3 rounds per second. So 3 rounds per second into 9 seconds into 3, that is equal to 27 round. And there is 27 into, in one round it covers 6 meter. So the answer is 162 meter. Next question number 16. The radius of two cylinders are in the ratio 3:2. The radius